I would love to learn more about BG5 and also how I can best express myself in my business. Okay, and mental projector, I love that. Okay, so BG5 is the business and career application of human design. And whereas with human design, we're really looking at like personal transformation, self-understanding, really for our own course in life. When we look at BG5, we are also doing that. We're looking and learning and understanding how to best interact with life and make decisions, where our unique strengths are. And a big part of BG5 is actually how we are learning, like how we interact with others. Because if you're in business, you are in the business of relationships. You are working with other people, even if you're a solopreneur, even if you're only selling digital products or some kind of products, you still have customers and clients. Otherwise, you don't have a business. So BG5 really shows you the different ways that you work with other people. And we also talk a lot about trans-auric forms. So when we're talking about your own unique individual design, you see your body graph here, and it shows us really like how your energetic blueprint works. The second you are in aura with another person, that changes. You have what's called a trans-auric form. So you have your aura, you have the other person's aura. And if you think about, if you put yellow and blue together, you get green. There's no more yellow, there's no more blue, there's green. We have a whole new aura, right? So you see that in a partnership. Now, when you bring a small group together, three to five people, we call that a penta. That also works in a very unique, different way, creates a trans-auric form. Then once we get up to several pentas and above 10 people, we have what's called an OC16. That also works very differently. And when we're looking at how we work in groups and with other people, things will get called out of us that might not look the same as when we are working individually. And so it's really interesting to see, like one of the big focuses of BG5, when we talk about human design, we're looking so much at deconditioning. And when we're looking at BG5, we actually want to take advantage and like how we can best take advantage of the conditioning, because we're always going to be conditioning each other when we are working together. So BG5 looks at that a lot. It really shows you where your natural strengths are, where you can really contribute in the highest possible best way. It shows you where, the areas that are not really your ideal areas to work in. When we bring the group together, it can really show like whose strengths are best suited for what and how you can best work together. It's also really interesting to see that different groups, and Google did a study, I don't remember how long ago or how long the study was, but Google did this big study about like why some teams work really well and other teams don't really work well. And they literally like did not get an answer as to like, why are some teams like really highly performing and others are not? And really, I think it comes down to like the BG5 and the trans-auric forms, because you can put a group of 5 people together and you can see in their BG5 like design how that troop might be triggered and where the challenges might happen. And if you just switch one person in that group, you might go from a group that struggles a lot and for some reason isn't very successful into a group that is incredibly successful. So even just shifting around teams and stuff like that, it's really fascinating. It goes super, super deep. So if you guys want to know more about that, check out the link. It's actually careerhumandesign.com. That's my link.
I shared it in
Okay, awesome.
BG5 session, yeah.
Yeah, so it's really awesome. And so for you expressing yourself in your business, like you are here as we call actors advisors in BG5. You're really here to like lead and guide, have an ability to really see the way other people, especially generators and manifesting generators, are using their energy and to guide that energy in like a more efficient way. You have both your channels are abstract. So I imagine that you are really gifted at sharing the things that you have learned from your experiences of making sense of the past. 2-4 profile, so probably really good with networking, also a quad right, plus you have an undefined G center. So location for you is so important, like really being in the right place is where you're going to connect with the right people. And yeah, so that is my answer for you. We do have, I think, a couple of more. I don't know, because the way I'm screen sharing right now, but we are at 90 minutes. So what is going to happen is that our next call, which will be in early December, I'll confirm when we get closer. I will answer the last few questions we have here. We will also open it up again for new questions. So you can ask brand new questions. You can ask follow-up questions if I answered them either this week or the previous one. If you do ask follow-up question, please just let me know that you already asked a question so I can check back to make sure I have full context. And remember that the best possible questions really have some context behind them. So if I know, if you're struggling with something in your business, if you tell me what you're struggling with, maybe you've tried that kind of stuff, I'll be able to pinpoint the answer more than if it's a more broad and general question. So I am going to